Alright, so we got this up and rolling. You can see first ever time using this. I just set this up, just got it. Be doing some sick moto vlogs. Alright, so this is a little dirty, I'm not gonna lie. I went out for like a little mud run. Yeah, I have to clean it for senior pictures, so you're gonna come with me as I do that. Yes, I'm in my pajamas, and yes, I'm in my slides, because there's no better way to do this right now. There we go. Bam. Alright. Let's actually pick this up. So we got this thing sprayed down. We still have to like slap it with some dish soap, nice and good, make it feel good. And we just scrub a dub. Alright, this is trying this out today. This is gonna be real interesting. I got the clear visor on because everybody hates it. You don't want to see your face, right? You want to look cool? Freaking to it, dude. This thing does not crash, break, fall out, die. So let me be totally honest with you guys. I don't know if that was my friends or random people. I hope they're my friends because I said hi to them how I say to my friends. If they weren't, that's a little weird. Oh well. Please wait one moment. Okay. With every tuned bike. I've got glass in my hand, man. 9.3, baby. 9.3. Just like how I kiss. How does he do it in that video, dude? He's a master at it. That makes no sense. That's crazy. Look at these bad Johns. Oh my god. That's sick.
This stupid little fucking plug that I've replaced like 4 of these damn things already today.
Ducati.
I had to flush everything twice. Dude, this was a shitty ass fucking project.
All for a Ducati with the open swing arm. Ooh, look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. I do have to say, if we do well enough, we get enough likes and views and whatnot, I'll make this thing a snowmobile. I'll put some skis on the front, some strides in the back, and I'll make this thing a snow beast. Stay tuned, man.